Hey guys, I wanted to share something with you that I thought was really cool. So, yesterday for dinner, we had pizza and it was delicious. It's from this little place here in St. Cloud called Apps. And anyway, as I said, it was delicious. And we also had garlic knots that were swimming in garlic butter. So, as you can imagine, not the healthiest thing, but every once in a while it's fine. So, after I ate it, I laid down on the couch and I fell asleep for like a couple minutes. And then I woke up and my heart was like racing. And it's not like I had had a scary dream or anything. So then, I guess I kind of just like laid there on the couch for a little while longer. The TV was on and I was like, I think I just need to go rest and go to sleep. So then I, went to the room to actually lay down and try to go to sleep. And my heart was still like racing. And so this is what I did. I got the first thing I did was I used my Aroma Ease Essential Oil Blend. I got all of my oils I get from Young Living. So let's see, I really love my discount with my membership from Young Living, and so that I can pay the wholesale price and not the retail price. And I got this one for free because I'm on Essential Rewards with Young Living. This Aroma Ease is supportive of the digestive system. It has like peppermint, spearmint, ginger, cardamom, and fennel. So we also have another oil blend called Digize, which is also supportive of the digestive system. I did just run out of that one like yesterday though. So I reached for my new Aroma Ease and I put a couple drops in my hand and rubbed it all over my stomach. And then then I got my lavender essential oil and my Stress Away Essential Oil Blend, and my frankincense essential oil. And I put these in my hands, rubbed my hands together, and then rubbed it all over my face, all over my neck, and over my heart. And after that, it really, really helped me. My heart stopped racing. I was able to calm down and relax and go to sleep. It was amazing. I just love how our oils like uplift me and also calm me and how they're good for my body systems. Another really cool thing that I didn't even realize until I started thinking about just like sharing about what these did for me is that all of these oils, Stress Away, frankincense, and lavender, all come in the starter kit, the premium starter kit with the oils and the diffuser. And Aroma Ease, although it does not come in the premium starter kit, Digize, which is another blend that has similar oils to this, but also includes other oils that are good for the digestive system. Digize does come in the premium starter kit. So right there, 4 oils that super helped me yesterday just in one situation alone. So I wanted to just share that with you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.